Hello, are you ready for the Y and J sounds? Yes, let's start. Y, yellow yarn, Y, Y. J, just one page, J, J. These two sounds can seem similar, but they're really quite different. Let's start with Y, Y, Y. This is a sound that starts with a smile, Y, Y. And it has a little bit of a green vowel sound to start. E, E. Then we release it. Y, Y. It has a voice and it does not continue. Yellow, yellow. Good. The J sound is quite different because the tongue is going to touch right behind the upper teeth. J, J. It might remind you of the CH sound. Ch, ch, but with a voice. J, J. Good. Let's practice. Yellow, jello, yellow, jello. What's this? It's yellow. It's yellow. What's that? It's jello. It's jello. Yolk, joke, yolk, joke. What's this? It's a yolk. It's a yolk. What's that? It's a joke. It's a joke. Yam, jam, yam, jam. What's this? It's a yam. It's a yam. What's that? It's jam. It's jam. Yet, jet, yet, jet. Are we there? Not yet. Not yet. What's that? It's a jet. It's a jet. Good work. Let's review. Ready? Yellow, jello. It's yellow. It's jello. Yolk, joke. It's a yolk. It's a joke. Yam, jam. It's a yam. It's jam. Yet, jet. Not yet. It's a jet. Good work. That's very good. Go back to the beginning, review the practice, and try again.